Today, we're going to discuss the text-to-speech function of an iPhone and how it can be used within an internship setting. For example, this function can be used to listen to instructions or an article that your supervisor may have sent or a group email. You can even use it to listen to books, for example, when you're on break. Any relevant information that is on your phone, you can essentially listen to with the text-to-speech function. In order to enable the text-to-speech function, you have to go into your settings, which is the gray gear icon. Once there, scroll down and click on the accessibility feature. Then, click on the spoken content feature. At the very top, click on Speak Selection. This will enable the text-to-speech function. As well, you can choose a voice that sounds pleasing to your ears by clicking on Voices. As you can see, there are many options to choose from. If you are reading a text in a different language, French for example, you can pick a voice in that language. Lastly, even further down under speaking rate, you can choose the speed at which the reader reads for you so that it reads more slowly or more quickly, whatever you prefer.
Speak selection reads selected content. Speak selection reads selected content.
Now, let's look at what speech selection looks like in action. Open an app such as Notes or Safari. Select the text that you would like to listen to, and a menu will appear. Click on the arrow on the right until you see the option that is called Speak. Click on it, and you can listen to the text out loud.
Use and accessibility of information and communication technologies in post-secondary education.
As you can see, the reader underlines the sentence that is being said and highlights each word as it is spoken.